Hi, Jenny here. My daughter brought home some overripe bananas as she's here for the weekend, and so I looked up some recipes of what I could make, and I found a banana bar recipe that looks really good from the YouTube channel Yum, Y-U-M. So that's what we're going to make today. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 2 bananas mashed up, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. We will start by mashing up the bananas. So we'll just peel them, put them in a bowl, and then mash them up with a fork. Ooh. Can get them off, they are really ripe. They'll be tasty. Okay, we will get our dry ingredients into a bowl. So we need the 1/2 cup of flour, 1 cup of oats, and then I'm going to put my 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and baking soda in, and the 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then we'll just get that all mixed up. Oop, I should wipe this before going in there. Don't need cinnamon in my baking soda. We'll now do 1/4 cup of the brown sugar, 1/4 cup of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of the vanilla, the egg, we'll add the bananas in there, and then we'll stir that all up. And last but not least, 1/4 cup of the chocolate chips, if not more. I like chocolate chips. Wow. 1/4 cup just doesn't seem like enough. I've preheated the oven to 350 degrees. We are going to spray the bottom of our pan and then pour our mixture in. I did add a few extra chocolate chips to my mixture because I like chocolate chips. I usually pretty much double what the recipe says, just because. So, I don't know if that negates part of the healthiness of the bars. Like I said, I got the recipe from the channel Yum. Her recipe was for like healthy banana bars. So granted, obviously lesser chocolate. She also used whole wheat flour. I didn't have any whole wheat flour at the time. Right now I'm out of that, so I just use regular flour. I'm sure these will still taste delicious. So there you go. Pour it in, spread it even. So I can get all the yummy goodness off the spoon. Oh, do I have to use my finger? Alright. We'll pound it a couple times to get out some of the air bubbles. And we'll wait for the oven to beep. Oven is preheated, so we're going to cook this for 20 minutes. Stick a toothpick in, see if it comes out dry, and if not, we'll go for a couple more minutes. But we'll start with 20. The oven has beeped. Let's check it out. I should probably use two. Makes it easier. Looks just a tad wet. Let's see. See over there? See better over here. toothpick, put it in the middle, pull it out. Just a tad wet. Now we'll go another 5 minutes. Beep, beep. It's getting dark around the edges. It's getting there. But 5 minutes should be perfect. Looking good. Just because, we'll still do the toothpick. Yeah, that's firmer, that's clean. So now we'll let it cool. Even though this is pretty just as it is, and all that, I'm gonna make it even prettier. Tastes a little better. We're gonna put some more chocolate and drizzle some chocolate on top. So I'm gonna take about half a cup of chocolate chips, melt them in the microwave, and then I will drizzle. Alright, silly me. That's not really drizzling form, so let's see if I can put it in the baggie and drizzle it from that. It's actually still a tiny little bit that hasn't been touched with the chocolate yet. We'll cut that off. You just want a small hole. Isn't it pretty? The banana bars are still just slightly warm, which I think is like the perfect time to eat that if you can. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below how you like to eat your bananas. If you like them in a recipe, if you like banana bread, banana bars, banana pudding. I thought of making that too, but I had the ingredients for this one. So, and do you like my banana picture? See, I specifically chose it because it looked like a face. How about you? I see faces everywhere I go. So when I saw that picture, it was like, oh, perfect. That was the one for today. Anyways, I'm going to go enjoy my snack here. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye. Oil. Melt in your mouth. So good.